Next book.
Okay, our next book is Gusto Kong Maging Voice Talent. This is the award-winning book. We have sold like 100,000 of this around the country. So it's available sa Shopee and Lazada. Iniisip mo pa lang, nasa Lazada yan. Okay? So napakaganda ng librong to. Maraming exercises kasi dito, sir. Halimbawa, mga tongue twister na hindi na natin ginagawa. May mga script. Halimbawa, kwentong pambata. Si Paru-Paro at si Langgam. Takang-taka si Paru-Paro habang minamasdan niya si Langgam na pabalik-balik sa paghahakot ng pagkain sa kanyang lungga sa ilalim ng puno.
Ano ang ginagawa mo, kaibigan Langgam? Mukhang pagod na pagod ka at di ka man lang nagpahinga.
Tanong ni Paru-Paro.
Bakit di ka magsaya na tulad ko? Naku, mahirap na.
Aniya.
Malapit na ang tag-ulan. Iba na ang may naipon sa pagkain bago dumating ang tag-ulan.
So, di ba, doon pa lang, nandito na pwede mo nang gawin yung mga voice acting mo eh. At yung mga iba't ibang, basta lahat ng sikreto nandito kasi mga sikreto sa likod ng dubbing, voice over at voice acting. Yun yung kanyang
So that's the book that you make kwento kanina na you spoke to life, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It took 5 years, di ba? Sabi mo.
15 years in the making. Kasi kung wala akong writer, hindi mangyayari to. Kasi maraming magagaling mga speaker. Sabi niya, I will write a book. Hindi mangyayari yan. Maghanap ka ng writer. Hindi ka writer, speaker ka. Magkaiba yun. Second is, third is The Art of Voice Acting by James Alberger. I have my own chapter here. Ang title niya, ayan, it's about dubbing. Ready, set, go. Local, the art of dubbing and localization by the voice master of the Philippines. All rights reserved. So I talk about dubbing. May mga sample dito paano magsulat ng script to Tagalog. Napakaganda po nitong libro na to. And also I have Voice Acting 101 available na sa I'll show you the bookshelf. So I have she shared the screen. Wait lang sa hanapin ko. Dami kasing libro dito eh. Wait. Okay.
So, pero while you're doing that, it's an encouragement to a lot of people, like you said, mga speakers, mga teachers, or who are thinking or wanting to write a book. Pero yun pala, you can speak a book to life and you can get a writer, hire a writer. Or did you hire them or what was your arrangement? Did you?
They're my staff and so literally they're under Creative Voices.
Okay, so
I share screen. This one is the bookshelf. So these are the authors. So that's me.
Si Sean. Okay.
So this is the one ebook, Voice Acting 101. The ins, outs, and in betweens of voice acting. So you can have it sa bookshelf.com. Exclusive yan.